A wide variety of creatures dwell in the depths of the world's oceans, with sharks being some of the most mysterious. Although there's a vast array of fish in the sea, vulnerable shark species are still falling victim to several threats, resulting in rapidly thinning populations, with humans playing a major part in the destruction. With rare and endangered sharks becoming more scarce, the majority of us would be lucky to catch a glimpse of them in the wild at all. Even if you do happen to stumble upon one, you might not even be able to tell that it's a shark at first, as not every shark out there resembles the stereotypical great white. The variety of sharks that reside in the open and coastal waters of the world are all majestic and unique in their own right, with biological oddities proving that nature is just as unusual as it is beautiful. In this video, we'll show you 10 of the rarest shark species hidden in the ocean. Before we begin, make sure you click the subscribe button and the notification bell for more amazing videos. With that being said, let's begin. Number 10. Megamouth Shark. The mighty Megamouth Shark is actually a member of the filter-feeding shark trio, the other two being the Whale Shark and the Basking Shark. All of them have special plankton-luring luminous mouth organs that give them their advantage. Despite being the smallest of the trio, the Megamouth Shark can grow up to 18 feet in length, with nearly 1/4 of its massive body being occupied by its mouth alone. Since its discovery in 1976, there have only been 69 confirmed sightings of this rare sea dweller, because it resides primarily in the deep waters of the tropics. Number 9. Goblin Shark. Goblin sharks are sometimes called the living fossil, since they're the only surviving members of their family, Mitsucarina, and it dates back to 125 million years ago. They're one of the strangest looking sharks and vary in color from pink-gray to bubblegum pink. Some goblin sharks are translucent to a point where their capillaries can be seen. When their prey is just out of reach, their jaw can quickly protrude and extend to the end of their snout, allowing them to catch their prey. Goblin sharks can open their mouth to a 111-degree angle. Number 8. Pocket Shark. Resembling a miniature sperm whale with glow-in-the-dark photophores all along its body, this tiny 5.5-inch shark could indeed fit in your pocket. But that isn't where its name comes from. That's due to the pockets behind its pectoral fins, which contain glands that secrete a bioluminescent fluid. Only 2 have ever been seen by humans. One caught off the coast of Chile in 1979, and the other in the Gulf of Mexico in 2010, making it the rarest shark on Earth. It's also probably the cutest shark on Earth, but that hypothesis hasn't been proven by scientists. Number 7. Frilled Shark. This 7-foot-long, sinuous-bodied shark resembles a giant eel and always looks a little like it's smiling, but it's not the kind of grin you'd want to sidle up to. The rarely seen frilled shark has a whopping 300 bright white teeth inside its mouth, which it uses to latch onto its prey, squids, fish, and other sharks. This prehistoric monster has been trawling the deep for 80 million years, and the man who discovered it, 19th century naturalist Samuel Garman, believed that the frilled shark is the source of the long-standing sea serpent myths. Number 6. Swell Shark. The Swell Shark doesn't grow to great lengths, reaching a maximum of only 43 inches. It makes its home among the algae-covered floors of the subtropical Pacific Americas, where it hunts shellfish and other smaller, easily snagged fish. This shark is fluorescent, glowing a brilliant green under blue or ultraviolet lights. An interesting defense mechanism for the Swell Shark is when it's scared, it can bend its entire body into the shape of a U and suck up water into its stomach, markedly increasing its size and making it difficult to bite. Number 5. Whale Shark. The whale shark is the largest fish species on Earth. It's found in all tropical and warm temperate seas around the world, except for the Mediterranean, mostly between the latitudes of 30 degrees north and 35 degrees south. Whale sharks are targeted by fisheries for their meat and fins, and are occasionally caught as bycatch. Because whale sharks are so large and filter feed near the water's surface, they risk being struck and killed by large ships or injured by ships' propellers. The Deepwater Horizon oil spill in 2010 had a strong impact on whale shark populations in the Gulf of Mexico, as whale sharks in this region were unable to avoid the oil due to their feeding habits. These threats, combined with the late maturation of the species, have caused a significant decline in global population numbers, with an estimated decline of over 30% in the Atlantic Ocean over the past 75 years, and a simultaneous decline of 63% in the Indo-Pacific. Number 4. Basking Shark. The basking shark is the second largest extant shark species and is found in oceans worldwide, generally in waters with temperatures ranging from around 46.5 degrees to 58 degrees. The basking shark has been a popular target of fishers for centuries and has long been valued by cultures around the world as a source of food, medicine, and clothing. Its skin is used to make leather, and its meat is eaten by humans. Furthermore, its exceptionally large and squalene-rich liver has made it a popular source of shark liver oil, and its cartilage is used in traditional Chinese medicine. Basking shark cartilage is also considered by some cultures to be an aphrodisiac. This species is also highly valued for its large fins, which are used to make shark fin soup. A single fin can fetch up to $57,000. The high demand for the various parts of the basking fish has led to overfishing and decimating populations. Global populations are believed to decrease by 50% to 79% over the past century. Number 3. Zebra Shark. With a leather tan complexion and jet black spots covering its body, the zebra shark is a magnificent sea creature. Seeing a zebra shark is rare, as they're nocturnal and are now labeled as endangered. During the day, they're often found lazily resting on the ocean reef floor. When night falls, however, they'll be up and at 'em hunting for mollusks, crustaceans, and even some small bony fish. The zebra shark will squirm its way into cracks and crevices to find its prey. Zebra sharks are small in comparison to some other sharks like the great white shark, tiger shark, or whale shark, but still grow up to be quite large. Zebra sharks can reach up to lengths of 7.7 feet long. That's the same as 2 7-year-old boys. These sharks live anywhere between 25 and 30 years in the wild. Because this species is endangered, zebra sharks are not allowed to be hunted in many areas of the world. It's important that if you happen to see one of these sharks, you don't disturb them and make sure to observe them from a distance so that this magnificent animal can continue to amaze. Number 2. Great Hammerhead. The great hammerhead shark is the largest of all hammerhead species, reaching a maximum known length of 20 feet, 6.1 meters, and a weight of 991 pounds, 450 kilograms. The species is distinguished from other hammerheads by its nearly straight hammer-shaped head that has a prominent indentation in the middle. Great hammerhead sharks are apex predators and can be found worldwide in coastal, warm waters that are 68 degrees, 20 degrees Celsius or higher. Unlike scalloped hammerhead sharks, great hammerhead sharks are solitary and migrate long distances upward of 756 miles alone. Like other hammerhead species, great hammerhead sharks have long, serrated teeth and use their hammer-shaped heads to detect and eat prey. Their heads are equipped with electrical receptors that can sense potential prey, including those hiding in the sand. Great hammerheads primarily feed on prey at the seafloor, such as stingrays, crustaceans, cephalopods like octopus and squid, and other sharks. Great hammerheads have been observed using the sides of their heads to pin down their preferred meal, stingrays, while feeding on the ray's wings. Number 1. Long-nosed Sawshark. The long-nosed Sawshark is one of 7 species of sawsharks, noted for their long, flat rostrum that's covered with several large teeth on its left and right sides, giving it the shape of a saw blade. This saw distinguishes sawsharks from all other species of fish except the sawfishes. The sawsharks have relatively small distributions, and the long-nosed sawshark is restricted to southern Australia. It's an active predator and uses its saw to both dig prey out of sandy bottoms and to slash swimming prey by aggressively moving its head from side to side. The saw is also covered with specialized cells that can detect the electric field put off by other fish, helping it to locate buried prey. The preferred prey of the long-nosed sawshark is small fish, but they'll also eat some benthic invertebrates. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time.